Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook group from scratch. This is just going to be a quick video tutorial, so if you want to get more details about Facebook groups and Facebook group marketing in general, check out our more detailed blog posts on roihacks.com, or you can also check out the playlist on our YouTube channel called Facebook Group Marketing. You can also find hundreds of tutorials on social media marketing and Facebook group marketing on my website roihacks.com. One more thing before the tutorial: if you want to grow your Facebook group, get more organic reach without running ads, then check out our Facebook group growth checklist that you can download from our website roihacks.com, and now it's completely free. Links to the 38-point checklist in the description below. Alright, so to create a new Facebook group, all you have to do is open up your Facebook profile. Then on the left side, click on groups. And here we can see all the groups you are a member in and stuff like that. But to create a new Facebook group, all you have to do is click on create new group here. And when you are starting out, you just have to add basically two pieces of information. So the first is the name of the group. So this is a test group, so I'm just gonna give some random name. As you can see in the right side of the screen, Facebook previews how the Facebook group will look like on both mobile and desktop. And the second thing you have to add when you're creating a Facebook group is the privacy type. So you can either have a public, so basically an open Facebook group, or a private Facebook group, which is basically a closed Facebook group. In a public Facebook group, anyone can see who is in the group and what they post in the Facebook group. This is the main feature of a public group. Private group is a closed Facebook group. When you're creating a Facebook group and thinking about whether you create a public group or a private group, keep in mind that you can always switch from a public group. You can also change that to a private group, but you cannot switch from a private group to a public group. So maybe it's a good idea to start with the public group first. But we also have a full blog post on roihacks.com which lays out the main differences and also gives you some general idea on how to decide whether you to create a public or a private group. But in this case we'll select public, so this will be an open Facebook group. Everybody will see all the Facebook posts that have been created in the Facebook group. Last but not least, you can also invite friends to the Facebook group. This is an optional step and you can do this later, so we will skip this now and click on create. And now basically the Facebook group has been set up, and now you can set up the group, invite members, add a cover photo, add a description and all that stuff. You can find other tutorials on our channel that goes through this process. Before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Facebook group growth checklist, so you can get 38 checkpoints we use to 10x the number of members in a Facebook group. We are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking on the link in the description below, or search in Google for roihacks.com and add Facebook group growth checklist. Also, if you want to know more about setting up, managing, growing a Facebook group, make sure to check out our Facebook group marketing tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see in the screen here. See you next time.